Yo, steak ass bro.
That ass, yo, he a scrub, and I'll bust his ass in basketball.
Bum ass basketball shorts every day.
You look like Wesley Snipes. You wear the same shirt every day.
And he got a Hawaiian shirt. Yo, what the hell, bro? Look at his bum
Actually
ass.
got socks on now.
Oh,
Perhaps like don't even care about him.
he got that 2 for 20. What you doing, bro? Every day and shit. Oh, bust your ass.
Adam! Adam!
Yeah.
Come down for dinner! Now!
All right, I'm coming.
So you got plans this weekend? So I got tickets to the Knicks game.
Yeah, I actually made plans weeks ago.
All that damn money wasted. Well, you are going to commit to working for me in the shop to pay it off. Eat your damn mac and cheese.
You know what? I don't even like mac and cheese, alright?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, okay.
Whoa. Hey, look. Not gonna hurt you. See?
I'll tell you what. I'm just gonna go upstairs. You do what you want. Okay?
You like bikes? Anyone expecting you home? I said, anyone expecting you home? Hey, how do you expect anybody to understand you if you don't talk? So, how long you been sneaking around here?
A couple of days.
Where were you staying before that?
In the abandoned house, across from the bridge.
Come here. See this?
so a little bit tighter, right?
That's perfect. Perfect.
Right there. There you go.
Yeah, all right, good job.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Tell me this. How do you fix a flat tire?
Dad, you forgot your phone.
Just put it down by the register there.
You could. What can you do? You could check the tire for any holes, or you could just change the tire.
Now that's the way to do it. All right. Hey, you hungry?
Yeah, I can eat something later.
My famous mac and cheese. Brian? Hey, Brian? Huh. What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Nothing. Have you seen Brian?
He was supposed to come by, pick up his check.
Yeah, I don't think he's coming in. No, actually, we kind of got into a fight.
Kind of what?
Listen, all right, it was an accident. It happens. It got out of hand.
Last time you got into a fight, you got suspended. Nearly had charges brought up against us. Had to go down to your school.
What are you talking about? You've never been to my school. Not even one time, and definitely not for all that fight. Not even once.
We've got to find Brian.
Brian? What are you talking?
Look, he needs me. He needs a father.
What about me, your son? I need a father. Where were you when I got into that fight? Were you at this damn bike shop? Maybe that's why Mom left, huh? You kept her waiting too.
Look, Adam! Tell me again, right? What happened?
We got into a fight, Brian pulls out a knife on me. Did he come back here at all?
No.
Well, where does he live?
I wouldn't go there.
All right, well, think. Where does he hang out when he's not here?
Got an idea. Come on. Come on.
Where are we going?
Come on.
Brian!
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 Brian! Wait, Dad. Look. Wait. I got this, okay? It's my problem. I need to take care of it. Ryan. Look, Brian. Sorry about what happened.
Look, Adam, you're right. I've never been up to your school. Even after you did get into that fight. When I was young, I used to fight all the time. Got myself into some trouble. Got into a lot of trouble,
Listen,
actually.
Dad, all right? You don't have to do this, okay?
No, Adam, I do. Look, when I was young, my father was not involved. He let us run around wild and crazy. I don't want that to happen. What I'm trying to say is, son, I didn't prove to be half the man you were tonight. Well, want to go fix a flat?
I don't think I'll pass.
You sure?
Yeah, but besides, I haven't eaten all day.
How about I make you some hot dogs? Mac and cheese?
How about I make the dinner tonight, all right?
Yeah.